Helpful resources are available after the governor issued a state of emergency. The declaration also activates 4 National Guard battalions in Southwest Virginia to help local fire and EMS crews. We kick off our team coverage now in one of the localities expected to be hardest hit by the incoming storm, as we saw on Jeff's map. WSLS 10's Rob Manch joins us now live in Lexington. So, Rob, how are soldiers pitching in there?
Well, hey there, Lindsay. Yeah, here at the 1 and 1/16th Battalion of the National Guard in Rockbridge County, soldiers have spent much of the week and much of the day today getting ready to help local EMS crews as they respond this weekend. Now, this afternoon, crews spent much of the day preparing vehicles and making sure they're ready to respond to emergencies this weekend. The soldiers here will assist every type of emergency personnel, from fire and EMS crews, like I mentioned before, to hospital staff. Doing that work takes some special equipment.
We have some first aid stuff for any motorists that we come across pulling out of ditches or accidents and they need emergency attention. We don't do any actual first aid or medical treatment, but we help facilitate the transportation to the first treatment facility.
The soldiers here say in just minutes here, trucks will be coming to the armory to provide even more support. And the platoon leader tells me here at the National Guard Armory, not only do they respond to emergency crews in the field to offer support, but they also will respond to hospitals to offer transportation to doctors and nurses all throughout the weekend. In Rockbridge County, Rob Manch, WSLS 10.